Palestine.
I think this is not the place to do it. I'm sorry, but we're talking about the Europe election. We don't need to import the conflict that is happening in Israel and in Palestine. So please let's keep it for us.
This is not the place to fight on any topic. Sorry?
It is not about siding with anyone. It's about letting people a platform to speak their truth.
Why don't you remember the hostages? Why don't you remember the hostages?
Bring the hostages home!
Please.
Bring the hostages home!
Thank you. I think that everyone here in the room had the opportunity to talk on the subject and the matter that they wanted to talk about. And I thank you all for that. Thank you.